Hey guys, this is part 4. So I think this is part 4, yeah. So in this video so I already showed you pretty much step by step what's been going on with my dimmer switch project, as you can see. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna mount the socket on here. Now we're not doing the switch today, and I'm not gonna do the wiring that comes out of it just yet. That will be for tomorrow's video. But these are all for today's videos. So that will be for tomorrow's video because I'm getting the switch tomorrow. So we're gonna do the dimmer switch tomorrow. But today I just wanted to go ahead and as I already said, I wanted to go ahead and get some of this done. So we can try the dimmer switch tomorrow, and we'll see how it works with some bulbs. So we'll dim some halogens and incandescents, and I have some LEDs that are dimmable too, so I'd like to see how dimmable those are. So yeah. So anyways, let's continue where we left off. So what I'm gonna do is here's our socket right here. This is just like an old one. This is just like a P and S brand socket. I got this at the flea market, which is really cool. It's an old socket, which is pretty unique. So I wanted to use like an old socket for our project. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna do the wire stripping. So let's see how we're gonna do this. So what you can use is you can use some scissors to cut into that, like the little installation. I think that's what that's called, like the little installation into here, so you can kind of cut into that. What you want to do is you want to, so once you kind of cut into that, you kind of just want to peel it. So, peel back the stuff here. Let me see if I can get it. Kind of hard here. Let me see, I almost got it. Oops. So you just want to peel enough for it to work out pretty well. So sometimes it can usually be hard to peel this. Let's see if we can get it a little more here. Okay, now I'm starting to get it. Now you're probably saying, like, judging on the access of this. So, judging for the access, might want to, we might want to cut it a little bit. I gotta figure out where though. Let me peel this back here. Yeah, before you jump ahead, you might want to figure out where to cut it. So, let's see. I think let's see. Let's see. I'm trying to figure out where I could cut this at. Well, I could bend this like this, I think. Or do I want to cut it? I might want to, let's see. I'm trying to figure out how I can do this. Let's see, maybe I could do it like this. I could bend this here. Well, I don't know if I really want to bend it though. I mean, it might break. I might go a little bit further down and right about here. So you might want to cut these a little bit here. So I think I'm probably going to just cut. Yeah, how about right about here? Just trying to get this all good enough here. And what you can do here is, like, what you can try and do is you can take this ground and, like, what I might just do is just take the ground and wrap it around a screw here. So I'm going to loosen the screw a little bit. Like that. So let me grab my needles, pliers, and what I'll do is I'll ground it to this junction box so it's grounded. So I'll make it safe. So I'll ground the junction box. So you know why not? You should always ground a junction box. So make sure it's still tight. So I grounded the junction box. And now what you want to do is you want to strip some wire access so you can wire this up. So strip off maybe this much would be good. So then you should have your wires like that, if you can see. It's kind of hard to see what I'm doing, but let me see if I can bring the camera up to you so I can show you here. So as you can see, that's where I grounded the ground screw, as you can see right there. And then there's the wires right there, so you can see what I'm doing there a little bit. Put this back on the tripod so you can see. So, yeah, that's what I'm doing so far. And when you're doing this, make sure none of the wires are touching, by the way. So you don't want that to happen. You don't want to have an effect on that. So let me make sure. I want to make sure which one's hot, which one's negative. So okay, this is the hot, and that's the neutral. So now we're going to get my little 6-in-1 screwdriver and use the flathead on it. So now what you want to do is you kind of want to, so you're going to want to bend this. So let me see here. It's going to go like this. Like that. So now what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to bend the, you're going to want to loop the wire around. So make sure that's nice and secure. I'll bend this around a little bit. Just to secure it. And then we'll bend this wire. Mess that up a little. Okay, let's see here. This is kind of the hard part though. So make sure your connections are nice and firm on there. You don't want any of their connections to come off, so make sure they're nice and firm. And then what you can do is you can, once you know they're good, you can bend them, fit in there. Okay, so then once you know your connections are nice and good, now you can put your screw in and get it all put together. Should probably do first is thread in the screw. Okay. Yeah, I kind of do need like one screw though, but yeah. So then it should look like this. Your project board should look just like this. So yeah. So I'll do a part 5 tomorrow. So anyways, thanks for watching and have a great day. And stay tuned for part 5, which that's tomorrow, and that's when I'm going to be installing the switch. So anyways, thanks for watching and have a great day.